Hey guys, it's Mary. I'm trying something. I'm just seeing how it will work. I'm trying to video my actual TV through my camera. I don't know if it's going to work or not, so let's try it. Okay. I'm going to try to show people how to fish and Bless Unleashed. It's still open until November. It's kind of fun to fish. I kind of like it. It's relaxing. As you will see, there's a little look over into the right hand side. You'll see that there's a yellow arrow. That's what your wind is blowing at. Your wind is blowing in that direction. So you want to, I'm not really good at getting it in the blue spot, but you're trying to get your hook into that blue spot. Okay, you want to get your hook into that blue spot. So what you're going to do to equip your fishing pole, first of all, let me start this from the beginning. To equip your fishing pole, you click on your pink square, whatever that is, the pink square. As you can see, it says start fishing. Click the pink square. Okay, and when that comes out, you're going to pull back on your F2, and that's going to reel it. Now, like I said, you want to kind of go to try to get in that hole, but you got to pay attention to the wind also, which is on the right corner with that arrow. So here we go. Let me see. Whoo! I got it in there. Woohoo! I'm not usually good at that. Okay, now I'm still trying to catch the one fish, and it's got to do with having to do another thing. Okay, you only push your F2, and then you reel it in. Now the red exclamation point comes up. Let go of the F2 right away, and when your fish part comes back up, hold down that F2. Now you see the line, how it's getting shorter and shorter? See, I let go of the F2 again. And then here we go, holding the F2 down again. And when that line runs out, you catch your fish. And that's how you catch a fish. So it's just a, little video just to show how to catch a fish in Bless Unleashed. I hope this helps a lot of you out there. I'm sorry that the game is leaving in November. It really sucks for all of us that really love the game. I guess it's just what it is, So, hey, I think I did pretty good. I did this with no problem at all. I was thinking, okay, it's going to take about 4 or 5 takes, but I got it right away. But that's all it is when you fish, remember to cast with your F2, and when that solid circle comes up, not the woo woo, but the ding, then you click the F2, and when it's hooked, you hold the F2 in, and when that red exclamation point comes up, let go of it, and then when the fish comes back up, hold it in again. And you'll see that that little line is shrinking, and the exclamation point might come up again, let go again. And as before, when the fish comes up, hold it down again. You will catch the fish every time. Unless it's the one that they're wanting to get, and then you have to press the R3. Am I saying the F2? Oh my goodness. It's R2, guys. Dingbat. I'm a dingbat today. I'm a 58-year-old dingbat. Sorry. But yes, that's how you catch a fish. Love you all. Have a great time. Come in and play while you can. we got until the end of November. Who knows? Maybe a miracle will come up and a millionaire will buy it because his kids are having a fit because they're going to lose their game. I don't know. But it is what it is. So God bless you all. And have a great night. And talk to y'all later. Bye. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, please push that subscribe button. Please click that notification bell. And please, please, please don't forget to click that thumbs up, because I need those thumbs up, guys. Anyway, share me out, and we'll talk really soon. Bye, guys.